Hey everyone friends, I'm Velour. Welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to link your EA account to your PlayStation Network account to PSN. To do this, open your browser, go to EA, the Electronic Arts website. Here, log into your account and click Account Settings. So, now enter your password. I don't really remember it though. Alright, I'm logged in and went straight to Settings. Next, click Connected Accounts and look for PlayStation Network. There, you'll see a link button here, like I have here. Just select PlayStation Network here. Mine's already connected, so you'll be able to link your accounts. That's it. This was Velour. Hit like, subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all a great life, good luck, and goodbye everyone.